Hi, I'm Alex from Plotton AI here to give a quick demo of Plotton's new LinkedIn post generator feature. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to use the LinkedIn post generator to easily create engaging posts based on keywords. To get started, navigate to the home page and click on the templates link in the sidebar. On the templates page, you'll find various options. For this tutorial, let's click on the LinkedIn post generator. Now you'll see the post generator form. This form has several fields to help you create a tailored LinkedIn post. First, enter a name for the post in the Name field. This is for finding the post later on in the jobs list. In the Search Term field, type in the main keyword or topic you want your post to focus on. Select the type of writer from the drop-down menu. Options include technical writer, technical blogger, lifestyle blogger, and technical tutorial writer. Choose the one that best fits your post's style and audience. If you want to enable the Query Assist feature, which provides additional suggestions and improvements, check the Query Assist checkbox. Optionally, you can include a cover image for your post by checking the Cover Image checkbox. Once you've filled out the form, click the Generate button to create your LinkedIn post. Let's take a closer look at the results we have here. In the Sources section, you can see the research and reference materials that were used to guide the content of the generated LinkedIn post. This includes things like news articles, data sheets, and other relevant sources to ensure the post is accurate and well-informed. Moving down, we can see our generated cover image. Finally, let's take a look at the generated post content itself. As you can see, the LinkedIn post generator has created a complete post based on the name, search term, and other parameters you provided. The post is ready to share as is, or you can edit and customize it further if you'd like. The LinkedIn post generator makes it quick and easy to create professional, engaging LinkedIn posts that will capture your audience's attention. In just a few clicks, you can go from a simple concept to a ready-to-publish post, complete with research-backed content and an impactful cover image, and that covers the key elements of the LinkedIn post generator results page. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you'll be able to keep your LinkedIn presence active and on-brand without spending hours agonizing over every post. Give it a try today and see the difference it can make for your LinkedIn marketing strategy.